Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials, and a website review. In this guide, we'll explore some of the most popular digital products to sell, providing you with inspiration and practical ideas to kickstart your Etsy shop and begin generating sales. So I'm going to be showing you 10 popular digital products that you can sell on Etsy as a beginner. So in the first one that we are going to be going through here, it's a printable wall art. So it's a simple to design and offer endless creative themes. The example, there is motivational quotes, seasonal decor, so buyers can download and print them in their preferred size. So we have the wall art. So, and the good thing about this, they are so simple to make. You can make them in Canva, and also there is AI that can help you to generate. So let me just include prints here so that we can have an idea of what we can make here. So as you can see here, we have these, and some are so easy to make on Canva. So the second one that we are going to be going through, it's a planners and organizational printables. So creating downloadable daily and week or monthly planners. There is meal prep, budget, goal setting. Also there is workout. So these are practical and they have high demand. So we can come here and just say we want to a workout planner or daily planner. We can just type daily planner to have an idea of what we can create. So and you can see most people with ADHD, they usually like having a daily planner. Although even I think generally every human love this, to have a daily planner in their life. Like you can list down the task that you want to do, the goals that you have for that day, the schedule. Maybe you have a meeting at 10 a.m. Maybe you want to do this at this time. Also the meal that you are preparing on that day. Example for this planner, as you can see, this one, it's being sold at 2.05, and you can see how many there are in the cart, 13, and they're so simple to use and to create in Canva. And also the good thing about planners or any other digital products, when you use Canva, you usually have a template that you can use and maybe customize to your own design. So the third one that we are going to be looking at is CVG cut files for crafting. So CVG files are popular among crafters and DIY enthusiasts for use for machines. Designs can range from phrases to holiday themes or simple shapes. Okay, let's check a few of them on Etsy. So as you can see here, there is 10-pack bundle, there is 9-pack bundle. So, and they're so easy to create. Just look, live, love, craft. I just wanna stay home and craft. So they're so easy, and this one is being sold at $1.16. And the good thing about digital products is if you create one, you can just sell it passively. You can see, I think you just need to have a bit of a quote about crafting, then you go to Canva, customize your text, and then you come here to Etsy and sell them as a bundle. So let's go to our fourth one. Fourth one that we have here is the social media templates. You just need to design them on Canva. So there is like Instagram post, stories, Pinterest, and other social media platforms. So many small businesses and influencers buy templates to streamline their content creation. So let's just come here and see social media templates. So we're just going to look at a few of them. So as you can see here, we have 1,800 Instagram post plus stories. So you just need to scroll. As you can see here, most is Instagram. So you can check on Etsy and have an idea of what you can create. We are going to our fifth one. So the fifth one that we are going to be going through is digital planners and stickers. So digital planners, it's like the meal plan, the one that I have showed you. For the stickers, I think I have created about what you need to do to create a sticker on Canva. I have a video on that. You can go and check my previous video. So let's go to Etsy and look for stickers. So for stickers, you can use you can sell them as a bundle, or you can sell them as one piece or as a pack. So let's just take, as you can see here, let me open this one. Stop doubting yourself. You silly goose. You can see in demand 2 people bought in this in the last 24 hours. The one that we are going to go through here is the printable calendars. So customizable yearly, monthly, and weekly calendars in various styles and colors. Buyers can print them at home and use them for planning purposes. So let's check them on Canva. Sorry, on Etsy. So calendars, you can see here. Oh, this one it's a bit cute. So this one here is March, January, February, April. So look how cute it is. And you just need to create them on Canva. Come here and sell them at 2.32 US dollars. As you can see right now, they have 20 plus cards, which they are already in the queue to be sold. Our next one is the ebooks and guides. So you just need to write a guide on a topic you know all. So there is self-care tips, social media marketing basics. Also there is also meal ebooks. You just need to write them and then go to format them in Canva or in Microsoft Word. Then come back to HCN, sell them. So let's check the ideas that we have here on Etsy4 ebooks. So as you can see here, we have a weight loss, a tracker. We have parental bundles. You can see this one have 2 million plus ebooks. So you can order these 2 million ebooks at 2.15 US dollars. So the next one that we have in our line here is the printable greeting cards and invitation. Also there, I think there is Christmas cards, etc., etc. So we can come here. Also there is wedding. There is so much variety of cards that you can create here. You just need to do your research and know what you need to create. As you can see here, this one is a funny birthday party card. So it's being sold at 6.77. See, love, my love and affection, you. See, 20 plus cards. And the one that we have here, it's a resume and cover letter templates. You can see here, people are making money by selling the template. As you can see, this one, the Google Doc resume template, is being sold 6.4K times. So meaning these sellers have made so much money with this product. As you can see, this one has made 347. So there is so much that you can make here on Etsy. And the good thing about this is they are so easy to make. So the last one that you can make on here on Etsy, it's coloring pages and activity sheets for kids. Printable coloring pages, activity sheets, and educational worksheets are popular for parents and teachers. These can be themed around animals, seasons, holidays, and more. So let's go to Canva, to Etsy, and then check them out. You can start out with coloring pages. We just need to check how they look. So look, this one for A, B, C, D, like A for apple, B for boy, C for cat, D for dog. Like if you edit these images on Canva, you come here and sell them. As you can see here, this one is being sold at $2.2 US, and they have 16 in cards. So it's so simple. Like this one for kids, A for apple. They're so simple. And also activity sheet. So let's check activity sheet. So we are going to just go through them. So here we have the ultimate bundle. So you can see they have the maze, we have the numbers, we have the how you tracing the letter, joining the dots. So they're so simple, and this one is being sold at 2.30, and we have 20 plus in the cart. So that's it for today, guys. There you have 10 products that you can sell on Etsy, and they are good for beginners. All you need to do is do your research, go to Google, go to YouTube, learn how to create them,